You know, people would overdose off drugs, like fentanyl and stuff like that. Well, your son sells drugs, so he's probably leading that cause. So maybe.
On August the 15th, 2024, at approximately 5:28 p.m., officers with the Columbus Division of Police observed a red Chrysler sedan with dark-tinted windows speeding down city streets. The officers initiated a traffic stop and approached the driver. During the initial approach, the driver grabbed a bag of drugs out of the center console and attempted to swallow them.
She pick you up? Hey sir, how you doing? Hey, you're flying down these streets, brother, and your tint's illegal, okay? Do you have driver's license on you? Is this your car?
Yes, sir.
When's the last time you smoked in here?
I just got done smoking.
Weed?
Yes, sir.
Is there any other weed in here?
Huh? Oh, yes, sir.
Just a little bit? There's no burnt, though? Okay.
Nope.
I'm gonna have you step out and talk to you.
Hey, quit reaching around.
Quit reaching. Hey, quit reaching! Quit reaching! Oh my. Dude, get out of the fucking car. Get out.
What are you reaching around for, dude?
He's a dope.
What are you reaching around for? What are you reaching around for, dude?
He's a dope.
You just ate it?
Dude, stop!
Go.
Stop!
Stop. Why are you?
That's called tampering, dude.
Good job.
Spit it out your fucking mouth.
Spit it out, dude. Spit it out.
Stop!
Another car.
Stop. Spit it out, dude. Spit it out. Spit it out of your fucking mouth right now.
Any call that confirms your 80's location?
Spit it out, dude. Spit it out. Just spit it out. Spit it out.
Can't get his fucking jaw.
Spit the dope out of your mouth right now.
Spit it out.
Dude, just spit it out.
Yeah. Spit the dope out.
Spit it out, dude. Spit it out right now, dude. Okay, you're going to jail for tampering. It's called an F3 for probably F4 dope.
Spit it out. Spit it out.
Spit it out, dude.
You're gonna overdose.
You're gonna fucking die, dude. Spit it out. Spit it out.
Spit it out.
Spit it out right now. Spit it the fuck out.
Spit it out, dude. Spit it out.
Spit it out.
Everything out there?
He just swallowed dope.
Well, we can't get a dope out. He's chewing it. Yeah. No.
Just him. It's a large bag.
Spit it out, dude.
Dude, just spit it out.
You're gonna fucking kill yourself.
Dude, you're gonna overdose, dude.
Come on, man. Spit it
No
out.
one cares.
Just spit it out.
Yeah, he swallowed a large bag of dope. Dude, just spit the dope out, bro.
Spit it out.
It's still in his mouth.
Another car already.
Swallow it.
Yeah, the Quarry Lake, correct, sir?
Spit it out, dude. Just spit it out.
Dude, you're gonna fucking die if you eat dope. Just spit it out. It's
Die over
already
dope.
there. You're gonna die over dope.
Come on, just spit it. Spit it out.
Okay, spit it out, dude.
You got a bag of dope in your
Spit
mouth.
it out.
Spit it out right now, dude. Spit it out.
Spit it out.
Spit your dope out.
You're gonna die over dope.
Spit it out.
me! I'm not resisting! Help!
Stop! Spit it out!
Help me! Help me!
Spit it out!
I can't breathe! I can't breathe!
Just spit it out.
I can't breathe!
You're gonna fucking kill yourself. You're gonna die.
I can't breathe!
Stop.
I can't breathe! Help!
Man, come on.
Help me!
Spit it out, dude. Spit it out. Spit it out.
Quit swallowing.
Quit chewing it. Dude, you are gonna overdose, dude. Spit it out.
Help!
Spit it out.
There we go. Good job. Good job.
Nope, nope.
Help me!
Alright, we'll get you up.
We gotta get you a medic now because you swallowed some
No, I
of it.
didn't. Come on. Stand up. Let's go. We're gonna roll you over.
Someone else. Fucking belt came undone.
Come on. You gotta stand up, brother. Come on.
Ready?
Let's go. Here. I didn't want you to overdose. That's why I put on that.
You just threw something in your mouth.
I can open it a little bit if you'd like.
Sure.
He had a bunch of others like. He swallowed something.
Oh, for sure.
I mean, he was chewing on it.
I was trying to like get.
He swallowed. God only knows how much that shit he swallowed.
Let me grab a multi-tool.
Yeah, I was like, he's reaching. He's and he's like, yeah, he's fucking swallowing it.
I'm trying to put my gun. Not even.
You got hit with F1 heroin in 2018 conviction.
I'm not your bro.
Alright, so he's got a scale, he's got a shit ton of cash,
Stay happy.
3 phones. He swallowed God knows how much of an unknown.
He said he did. He said he's okay.
I watched him swallow it.
Can I get some water?
No, he was chewing. Yeah. I would rather him not die.
witness you will swallow something.
You were swallowing. You put enough in your mouth that you swallowed some of that, dude. You chewed up on it. Looks like crack cocaine. He literally chewed up all of. He chewed. Look at that.
Did you pull out his mouth?
I did. He spit it out finally. Then he tried to swallow it again. He spit it out and then he was like, no, no.
And I said I owned that car for 5 years
Okay.
and never had an issue.
Well, it's 33% and the legal's 50. And we tested it.
33%. Camera. 33%.
Okay, so why did I not get pulled over for the 5 years I owned it and drove it?
I don't know.
Other than the one time for being black while driving when I was
Well, you
leaving
can't
work.
see what color someone is when their window tint is dark. So that's a
The
very
front window
ignorant comment.
is not tinted.
Okay, but I didn't see him head on. Seen him from the side.
I didn't say you. This is what he told me. I'm asking a question as when
Who,
I was
him?
the owner. Why
He's
did
the
not
officer
occur?
that initiated the
Yeah.
traffic stop.
That's what I said.
He was explaining it to you because we showed up to help because your son was fighting them.
Swallowing drugs.
Yeah. So
And
then,
you was the arresting officer. You said you seen him swallow some drugs.
yes, he reached in the middle. I grabbed my gun, and then he put drugs in his mouth, and then we took him to the ground, tried to get the narcotics out so he didn't overdose and die, and then your son would be dead. So we helped him out, yes. Because he made a bonehead decision. So we were trying to help him.
Okay. Okay.
And none of that would have happened if you would have just stepped
All
out.
right, can you just kind of stay here to make sure nothing happens to me because I'm asking
No, you
questions?
guys can walk away if you want. You
Yeah.
guys
That's
aren't
my
under
cousin.
arrest. You guys can.
I'm
can
trying
walk
to
in.
understand what's going on with my son.
Okay, that's fine.
Your
You're
son
more
is
than
at the
welcome, but if you
hospital
guys don't
'cause he
feel
might have
safe,
swallowed
you
some
guys are more
drugs.
than
And do
welcome
you
to
know
walk
what hospital
away.
he might be?
I don't know, but you can't visit him because he's under arrest.
So that I can at least call and see.
He's not
what
taking any
happens.
phone calls. He's under
No, not
arrest.
him. I understand he doesn't have his
191 and
phone.
193, we're receiving
But the
additional on your
hospital.
run.
And they won't
Female
disclose
found the
anything 'cause
White
he's under
Castle
arrest.
drive-through, almost side swiped. Caller pulling into the lot.
He can call
Your
you
son
from
should
the
make
jail.
better decisions.
What?
He can call you from the jail.
That's if he makes it to the jail.
You're good. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Why is the hood up?
Because we're searching for narcotics everywhere, okay? You know, people overdose off drugs, like
My daughter
fentanyl and
deals
stuff
with
like
it all
that.
the time.
Well, your
She
son
works at
sells
Alva's
drugs, so
house.
he's probably leading that cause. So maybe you should talk to him.
150, take the.
And that's what we're doing, is trying to prevent people from selling drugs. So when the car smells like weed and we tell him to step out and he swallows drugs, that's why we took him out and took him to the ground. My badge is 3249, my last name is Church. Okay?
193.
She's wondering why her son got pulled over. She's had that car for so long, 5 years, and never got pulled over for 10. Huh? It's gonna be an indictment, okay? It's gonna be tampering and then possession of drugs.
Possession of what?
Huh?
What's
We're gonna get it tested.
What's the felony though?
Huh?
What's the
F3
felony?
tampering.
F3 felony tampering.
Yep, F3 tampering.
How is it an F3?
Because that's what the ORC says.
All right, can we go to the county now?
Huh?
Can we go to the county now?
We're not gonna go.
Do you know what an indictment is? You're gonna have a future court date for it. It's gonna get presented to the grand jury after it gets tested, okay?
So I'm going to the county?
No.
All right.
Not today. I'm gonna read your rights, you're gonna tell me to fuck off, and then we're gonna leave, okay? That's probably what's gonna happen, right?
No, I'm
You wanna talk?
No, I ain't saying shit.
Okay.
I'll call my lawyer.
So I'm gonna tell you what's gonna happen, okay?
All right.
We're gonna take all that for testing. I'm gonna write a warrant for your 2 phones, not your flip phone, because I can't get anything off of it. So you can have that one. It's probably your dope phone.
No,
And then we're gonna contact
my name.
your APA. We're gonna get you violated, okay? So I'm not even gonna read your rights because you told me to fuck off. Any questions for me? We're gonna give you your ticket and that'll be it. No?
I'm gonna call my. I need my lawyer.
Okay.
You
can
I
have
got
her.
my wallet and my driver's license, baby.
We'll get it for you, brother.
I'll go on.